This is the University of Scranton.
And we want you to come to our open house.
By coming to campus, you could see everything that Scranton has to offer.
Come and see why Scranton should be your new home away from home.
Hey, let's split up and give them a quick look around. The Naples Center, the central hub for our campus community.
There are many opportunities to meet new friends
A place where clubs meet.
and have the opportunity to get involved.
Or join more than 3,500 of our students by volunteering in order to make a difference.
There are a lot of awesome buildings to go along with our amazing academic programs.
Here's the Loyola Science Center. Leahy Hall, home to our OT, PT, and exercise science departments.
Whether you know what you want to study or are still undecided, we can help you find your path.
Brennan Hall, home of our nationally recognized Canadian School of Management. Athletic fields.
You can play sports or cheer on a team.
Here's a residence hall. And here's another.
And they have everything you need, from suites
Another residence hall, and another, and another,
to individual rooms.
and another one.
Scranton is so much more than just a beautiful campus.
Yeah, but this is pretty nice.
It's a place where the community cares.
Definitely cares.
About you and your next 4 years.
Can't wait to see you soon.